Know your bike. Introduction. In this module you will learn about the different components that make up a standard bicycle and how to inspect them to ensure they are all in working order, known as an M-check. Topics to be covered. Know your bike. The nuts and bolts of the bike. The M-check. Know your bike. Before you hop on your bicycle and get going, to practice safe cycling, it is important to get to know your bike a little better, and this includes understanding how to check its parts and keep it maintained.